People often overpack when they travel. Does that ever happen to you? As a global solo traveler for decades and luxury travel expert, in this video, I'll share my one tip to lighten your load without sacrificing style. In fact, I recently helped a client shed 20 pounds of luggage on her 6-week trip to Europe this summer. And she was so relieved and she didn't miss anything. Imagine that. So, weigh everything. Start with a smaller, lighter suitcase than you thought you even needed. Second, make sure it's expandable. I've tried every type, hard and soft luggage, and now I prefer soft-sided luggage. And look for pockets both in and outside for fast and easy access. It helps you stay organized. Third, weigh your cosmetics and your toiletries. Most hotels and Airbnbs have plenty of products and hair dryers for you to use. And if you can't part with your favorite conditioner or other products, take a small bottle. The dollar store has great travel containers and they're little. Fourth, weigh your clothing. Pack and lighten your load by including cotton, linen, and lighter clothes. You will be surprised how fast that adds up. So you don't even need it. And you'll avoid excess baggage fees.